Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ASUS ROG Phone 9 Pro and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. If you need to add event to your calendar, firstly open your calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want to add it, maybe 24th of January, and there this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. In this part we can add this event to group about what is it and access to this group. This event may be our calendar, work, family or something like that. In this part we can set when event starts in which time and finish in this day, or by the switch one we can turn on it will be all day event. Repeat of our event if we need it, maybe every month. There we can add people to this event. We can make video conference when event starts, add the location of our event if we need it, and their notification to that. In this part we can change color about our notification to this event, add description and attachment. After you set all you need, you press save and you have it in your calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!